Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Tesla wheel scratches. Many Tesla owners experience curb rash because the tires often sit slightly inside the wheel lip, exposing the rim. The good news is that, for minor damage, you can often perform a do-it-yourself repair, saving you a significant amount of money. This process is straightforward and can restore your wheel's appearance effectively. Before starting, gather your essential supplies. Begin by thoroughly cleaning the damaged wheel to remove all dirt, brake dust, and grease. Next, carefully mask off the tire using painter's tape or a deck of playing cards to prevent accidental sanding or painting. You will need a selection of metal sandpaper, starting with a coarser grit like 220 for deeper damage, and progressing to finer grits such as 400 and 800 for smoothing. Finally, ensure you have color-matched touch-up paint and a clear gloss spray. Now, let's begin the repair. Start by gently sanding the damaged area. If the scratch is deep, begin with a 220 grit sandpaper to level the surface, then move to 400 and finally 800 grit to achieve a smooth finish. After sanding, wipe the area clean with rubbing alcohol to ensure proper paint adhesion. Next, apply your color-matched touch-up paint in 3 to 4 very light, thin coats, waiting about 10 minutes between each application to prevent drips and ensure even coverage. To complete the repair, apply 2 to 3 light coats of clear gloss spray over the painted area. This will seal the paint and provide a durable, shiny finish. Allow the wheel to dry for at least 1 hour before touching and a full 24 hours before washing your car. To prevent future scratches, consider installing rim protectors or simply being extra cautious when parking near curbs. Remember, for severe damage, professional repair or wheel replacement might be the best option.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.